Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Subham Trivedi and you are watching my channel So in this video we are going to make a simple car game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's check the game. To play the game, click on this box.
Enemies ahead, let's go!
Now you see the game. So when you collide with other car, then your game will be over. And this is a simple road where your car moves, and you have to use arrow keys to move your car. So and you can also see that there is a scorecard on the top left corner. And what is written on this box? This is the click here to start and use arrow keys to move, and if you hit another car you lose. So let's check again this game. So simply click on it.
Enemies ahead, let's go!
So now if you collide with other car, then your game will be over. So let's make this game. So just write some essential part of the HTML document. So this is the, now just make first div, which is the, and give this a class to car game. So just make first div and just copy it and make 3 other div and just change their class. So first change to the game area, and then score, and third div is the start screen. So there is a 3 box there. So now write something in the start screen. So in paragraph, write click here to start and use BR. So use arrow keys to move your car, so to move, and use another BR, line break, and write if you hit another car you lose. Yes, so now complete it. So now just write the script tag, because the major part of this game is written in JavaScript, because this is a pure JavaScript game. So just now we make 3 constants. So first constant is the game area. So just input the value. So document dot, here we use query selector to select that particular class. So use query selector is equal to in brackets we write dot game area. So now just copy it and paste two times, and just change the name. Here is the score, here is the start screen, and just change the other dot start screen. Okay, now change this to the score, and here we also write score. So make the constant name like similarly like that class name, so we don't get confused. So now just how to make this game. So just add event listener on the start screen. So when we click on start screen, there is a function called, so the function name is the start. So here we add event listener. So when we click on that start screen, there is a function called start. So now define the function start. So just open the braces and close. So here we write start screen dot class list dot add hide. So here we add another class to the start screen, which is hide. So you can see there and just give the style to the hide. So dot hide, open the braces, and just write display none. So now go to the browser and check it. So here you can see the paragraph, and when we click on it, the paragraph will hidden. So this is the first part is done. So now let's go to the another part. So just make a object. So now we have to make our car. So just create this. So now we create this car using JavaScript. So let car, so there is a car is object. So let car equal to document dot create element div. So what element we want to create is a div, and just set attribute. So what attribute we give to the car? We set the attribute class. So now we give the attribute class, which is the car. So here there is we will name the class of car. Now just write now we need to append this in the game area. So just write game area dot append child, and now in the braces there is car. So just append it in the game area. So and now here we write a object. We also make an object which is player, and give this some values, which is the score 0 and the speed is 6. So here we give two values in the player, and we also make a object keys. So in this keys object we write some values, which is the arrow up value is false, arrow down false, arrow right false, and as well as arrow left is false. So write these values in the keys object. So just write this, and here now we need to write so there is a semicolon, just change to the comma, and now we need to write document dot add event listener key down. So here we write something, some event that when we press the key, this will become true. So here we write key down event. So what is the key down event? So key down event, when we press any key of the keyboard, then this event happen, and this event called a function which is key down. Yes, this is the key down, and also we declare here key up function. So what is the key up event? So key up event is the when we press any key, and when we release that key, this is the key up event. So just write this, and in key down function we just pass a parameter e and e dot prevent default. So prevent default, there is some default values, so we don't need this. So just write e dot prevent default, and just write keys e dot key. So e dot key is equal to true. So when we press any key, this values become true, and just copy this and just write another function, just define another function which is the key up. So just write key up. So in key up, when we release key, this will go to the false, the value will converted in false. Yes, so this is the main work of the keys. So how we move our car. So let's go to the another topic. So here we go to the, here we cut and paste this to the side. So now just to go to the browser and check what's happened. So this is the, now we go to the, so now no we don't need console here. Yes, so just go to the style, but before going there we need to make the lines, which is come in the road. So how to make these lines? So just write for x is equal to 0 to x is less than 5, and let makes a object which is road line. So let road line equal to document dot create element. Like we create car, we need to create some lines, some road lines. So create element which is equal to div, and road line dot set attribute. Here we set the attribute which is the class, and we give this the class which is line. We give this div class which is line. So now road line dot top. So here we write road line dot y is equal to x into 150. So what this matters, so this is the distance between two continuous line. So in the game you can see when two lines comes, there is a distance between them, which is the 150 pixel. So now just style top equal to road line dot y plus pixels, and just append this on the game area. To game area dot append child road line. And now we need to style this. So just first style the line. So give this the width. First give the width to the line. So here we write width. So width is the not very much. It is a 10 pixel, and here we give height, which is the 100 pixel, and also background is white. And now set the position is absolute, and just write margin left is equal to 295 pixels. So here we complete the style for line, and now here we write style for game area. So width is equal to 600. The game area is the road part where the car moves. So width is equal to 600, and the background is hash 2D 3 4 and 6, 2D 3 4 and 3 6. So here we give the height, which is the 900 pixels, and just set the margin auto, and just write the position, which is the relative. Yes. Now give this the border. So border first we give the value to the border right. So border right is the 7 pixel, and dashed. What is the style of border, which is dashed, and the what is the color? So H C8 D6 and E5. So and just copy this and just paste this, and give the border left. So border right and border left is equal. So just copy this, and now you can see the road. When you click on it, this line appear. So here you can see. So now we want to make some style. Now we want to give some style to the start screen. The start screen is the box. When we click on the start screen, then game will be start. So just to give the properties, just to give the style to the start screen. So position equal to absolute. Now background color is hash EE52 and 53, and just give the position to, and just make this in the center of the document, the center of the page. So just how to make a div in the center of the document. So just give the left 50 percentile, and top 50 percentile, and translate minus 50 percentile, comma minus 50 percentage. And now so color, give the color is white, and just give the z index is equal to 1, and just write text align. So the text align is center, and give the border. So border is not very big, so there is only 1 pixel solid, and the color. So now what we need? So we need a margin auto. Just give the value, and the font size also is 20 pixel, and just give the width 50%, and text transform uppercase. So here is the work is done. You can see the box in the center of the document, and when we click on it, you can see the line, the road lines. So now here we need to give some style to the car which we have to move using arrow keys. So this is your car, so give the style to the car. So just write the width for the car is 40 pixels. This style is very important for this game, because that if you don't make your game attractive, then this makes no effect on other. So this is very important to make your game attractive. So just give the car width is equal to 45 pixel, height is equal to 90 pixel, position absolute left 15 pixel, and bottom, what is the bottom is 230 pixel, and give the background color which is the red, and overflow hidden. So this is your car, and just give the background image. So here we have a image, a PNG image. So just write the path, so car234.png. so you have to need a PNG car image to for your car. And now we write background repeat, so there is no repeat, and just set the background size. So background size is the cover, and here we write background attachment. So background, first write background position equal to center, and background radius is equal to 20 pixels. So now everything is completed. So now just check this. When you click on it, you can see the car. Yes, this is the work. So this is your car. When you click on the box, your car appears. Now what we need to write, so here we give the style to the car game. Car game is the container for all the div. The whole document is the car game. So just give the width is 100%, the whole width of the document of the page, and just give the height is 100 VH, vertical height. So the whole width and the whole height. So and now background color. So what background color? So no sir, no, here we not give the color, here we use background image. So here we use background image. So I have an image which is in JPEG format, so which is the car bb2.jpeg. Yes, now so just let's finish this work. So the last is the background. This is the background size, which is the 100% and 100%. Just so now here we complete our work. So this is the background of your game is ready. So now in next video we will make the lines, make the animation, so it makes your car is running, and we make some other cars which we have to move, which we have to avoid. So now today's work is done. So let's meet in the second part of the video. So just check this game for the last time. So just refresh it, and when we click on it, you can see the car appear in the game area. So this is the game area. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.